More possibilities with smart accessories for Roth Touchline SL. With added smart accessories, you can expand the use of your Roth Touchline SL underfloor heating regulation system. The wireless Roth outdoor sensor enables you to use the weather control feature in one or more zones. The weather control feature uses the outdoor temperature as a reference to decide if it is necessary to heat the room or not, despite a small drop in the room's set point temperature. Connection and setup of Roth outdoor sensor. Remove the lid from the sensor by using a screwdriver to install the batteries. Be aware of plus and minus polarity when inserting the batteries. The outdoor sensor can only be connected to the master controller. Press Menu and select Modules and select External Sensor. Select Connection Type, confirm Wireless and select Register. Confirm Continue to register and the master controller will start searching for the sensor. Briefly press the pairing button inside the sensor within 2 minutes. The master controller will confirm the connection on the display. Press Exit twice to see the overview of the sensor. Mount the lid back on the sensor and tighten the screws to achieve leak tightness. Mount the outdoor sensor with the included bracket on the north side of the building. If this is not possible, the sensor must be placed so that it is not exposed to direct sunlight. Weather control on zone level. From Main menu, press once and select Zones. Select Zone 1 and go to Settings. Here you see that weather control is enabled by default. If you want to exclude the zone from weather control, then press Menu to remove the tick. It can be a good idea to exclude rooms with a higher room temperature than in general, e.g. bathrooms. Setting up weather control. From Main menu, press once and select Fitters menu and go to Weather Control. Use Menu to tick the box On to enable the functionality. Now you have access to change 2 parameters. Averaging time, which is the time used to calculate the average outdoor temperature. Default is set to 24 hours, which is the right setting in most cases. Temperature threshold is the outdoor temperature set for the system to change into summer mode. Default is set to 15 degrees Celsius. If you experience problems to reach the set points in the rooms, it can be necessary to change the threshold temperature to a higher setting. Change the temperature plus 1 degrees at a time until you reach the desired comfort. Go to the main menu to see the outdoor temperature in the display.